As you all know, Joann's is closing and I'm gonna take one last trip to Joann. This is going to be my last fabric purchase from there ever because they're closing in a few days. I am really sad about Joann closing. It's raining outside, so let's do it. Let's go get one last fabric haul from Joann and then we can cry about it. So I'm here at Joann and we are in the countdown, 7 days left until they close. I kind of can't believe it because I've spent so much time here since I was a teenager crafting and shopping for fabric. And this is why I'm in all black. I'm in mourning for Joann. This really sucks. So come on in with me. This is going to be my last time ever in a Joann Fabrics. So I wanted to film a lot of this in Joann, but they saw the camera and they made us put it away. Understandable. They're in mourning too. But I did manage to get a few shots in there and it was so sad to see everything gone, basically. The thousands of bolts of fabric gone and caution tape up everywhere. It was kind of spooky and eerie, like walking through it with that caution tape everywhere. Like, oh my gosh, where did everything go? Well, you bought it, obviously. Or I hope you at least got in on a few of the sales and bargains that they've been running over the past few months. I'm back. Let's check out my last Joann haul ever. But as you can see from these shots, there really wasn't much to choose from. It was just a sad experience altogether. So if you've been in the past few weeks, you've definitely gotten the best of it. There is really not much left right now. But I did find a few fabrics. Let's check them out real quick. So these are the fabrics I found today. 3 knits. I thought they'd make some really fun summer dresses. We got a little skull print, some hearts, some flowers and mushroom. And then I also found some fusible interfacing, so we can always use that. But I have had some luck the past month with some fabric hauls from Joann with the help of my friend Carolyn. We have gotten tons of great fabric for all the classes, for all the students to use. So it's been really fun, but it's also just really sad to not be able to go there anymore. So if y'all want to grieve together, leave some of your favorite memories of Joann down below. What are some of your favorite projects you've made? Let us know how Joann has made you feel throughout your lifetime and how you're feeling right now about this experience. Joann has been around my entire life. I even used to work at a Joann. I used to work the sewing dealership inside. I've done promos with them. I have been working with Joann my whole life. And if they weren't around, I don't know if I'd be where I am today. Sewing and creativity is a huge part of my life. It's my entire life and I love it. And just because Joann's is closing doesn't mean we're gonna stop sewing or crafting. There are still plenty of places out there for resources. I even created a whole list. It's in my blog for places you can shop in person and online. So keep being creative, support your local fabric stores so this doesn't happen to them as well. Check out the list down below and feel free to help me add to that list. Leave your favorite spots down below in the comments. So even though Joann closing is rough on us, don't forget you have a huge supportive online sewing community here and in person in Chicago here in my studio. So let's keep creating. Thank you for joining me on my last trip to Joann today, and I'm really looking forward to continuing our sewing journey together. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.